Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video, as you saw the title, I'm going to show you how you can actually scan your Redline S5000 plus decoder to actually get the FTA channel that is on the Multitv platform. So this video is not about you tracking to get a stable signal. It's about you having the signal and then trying to do the setup or the settings on the Redline decoder to actually get those FTA channels on the Multitv platform. So I'm gonna put out a video about how you're gonna track it and get a stable signal on the Multitv. So maybe you have changed your decoder, but you're having a stable signal from the satellite dish, a signal from the Multitv, and you want to do the settings on your decoder to actually get the channels running. This what you need to do, and you can follow the same steps and then apply it on your FTA decoder. So the next thing that you need to do after connecting your cable from the satellite dish, connect the signal cable from your satellite dish onto the LNB in port at the back of your Redline decoder. At the back, we have two different ports, which is the antenna port and then the LNB port. So make sure that you connect the cable into the LNB in port. That's the ports that will allow you to get the satellite signal. So after connecting the cable, the next thing is to pick up your remote and you press on the menu button on your remote. So from the menu here, use the arrow left and right keys, top and down, to navigate through the menu, and then you put it on installation. So you press OK on the installation, and from this page, on the installation page, you need to come to the antenna setting. You have the satellite list. That's where you need to select the satellite. But on the antenna settings page, you have many different options to do whatever you need to do. You have the transponder. That's where you need to add the frequency and symbol rate. You have the DVB-T and then DVB-C to set the antenna or the digital channels. So you select or you press OK on the antenna settings option over there. And on this page, you have to leave every setting as it is, and then you focus on the one that I'm going to show you to actually change. Since you are not having a dissect, if you have a dissect, you need to change the dissect number over here. But without having a dissect, every setting has to remain, and then you focus on the satellite that you need to select and the transponder, which is the frequency you need to add. So when it comes to the satellite here, these are the satellite folders that have been saved on the decoder. So you need to select a satellite folder and then you add the transponder which you are having a signal on it or you are willing to track to get a stable signal on it, and then you proceed to scan or you proceed to track, and then you get your channels as well. So you need to select the Multitv satellite, and it's not in this list of satellite, which is Astra 2A 2B 28 degrees or Astra 4A 28 degrees. It's not in it. So all you got to do is to select a different satellite and then you save the RTP in it. So you can select the Eurotelsat 16A Hotbird Astra 4A or Astra 3B over there. So let's select the Astra 3B over here. You select, and then the next thing is to add the transponder or select the right transponder for the Multitv. So you can search through the list. If the Multitv transponder is in it, you just put it on it, but it's not likely in it. So all you got to do is to add. And with the adding on this page, there is no add option for you to get access to the add your TP. So all you got to do is to go back to the installation page. You come down to the transponder list. You press OK on it. And on this page, as you can see, we have some command down below that you can press on your remote to actually open up the menu for you to do whatever you need to do. So you have the red button to add, the green to edit, the yellow to delete, and then the blue to scan. So you have to add. All you got to do is to press on the red button on your remote for the add menu to pop up. So here you need to add a Multitv frequency, which is 122.525. That's the Multitv primary TP, 30K vertical, and then the polarity is vertical. Then you save. You press OK to save. After saving, you have to highlight it. I don't think it was being able to save. So all you got to do is to press on the add 12525 30K vertical, then you save. Okay, so it's down here. You select, you highlight it like this, and the next thing that you have to do is to go back, because on this page, if you are to proceed to scan, you are not going to get the blind scan option, which will enable you to get enough of the signal or enough for the channel that is around the Multitv. Multitv have up to 28 to 30 channels. So if you perform manual search, you are only going to get those 30 channels. And on this page, they have locked it on the manual search, which you can perform the blind or auto scan. So all you got to do is to go back to the antenna settings page, where you get access to the blind scan option for you to get all the channels around the Multitv platform. So you select the Multitv TP right here, which the signal quality have turned green, indicating that you are having a stable signal from your satellite dish. So the next thing that you have to do is to press on the command, the blue button on your remote, for the scan menu to pop up, and then you change the scan type from auto to blind. Don't select the manual, select the blind, and then the channel type, you can select the FTA only to actually eliminate all those channels that comes along with a $$ sign. The scam channels that you will not get access to watch, you can select the FTA only to eliminate them, and you can leave it at the all to, and then you proceed. So all you got to do is to press OK, and you wait for it to complete scanning for you to get access to the channels that will come along with it. So that's it. If this video has been helpful and you are new here, all you got to do is to subscribe, hit the bell icon, you like the video, share on other platforms, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.